Welcome to Binomo. Trade on financial markets and get experience. Try our free $1,000 demo account right now.
Scientists have warned that rapidly melting permafrost can release radioactive waste as well as dangerous and unknown bacteria and viruses threatening humanity. Permanent ice covers the Earth's polar caps, and this is known as permafrost. But extreme events triggered by climate change have sped up the melting process of the ice. The fast-thawing ice can expose the world to radioactive waste and nuclear submarines from the Cold War era. It can also release viruses and antibiotic-resistant bacteria that thrive in such extreme cold conditions. The research was conducted as part of the ESA NASA Arctic Methane and Permafrost Challenge. It showed that deep permafrost at a depth of more than 3 meters is one of the few environments on Earth that has not been exposed to modern antibiotics. Siberia's deep permafrost is home to over 100 diverse microorganisms, which is antibiotic resistant. However, as the ice melts, these microbes can mix with water and create mutant strains. Besides that, the Arctic has been the focal point of much research, military and scientific projects, and resource extraction for over 70 years. More than 1,000 human settlements are here in the region specifically for these purposes. No one can deny the possibility of accidental leakages, contact or release of subjects of experiments in this region. There are fears nuclear spillage may have happened and melting ice can release them into the sea. Kimberly Miner of NASA JPL and lead author of the paper said, "It's important to understand the secondary and tertiary impacts of these large-scale Earth changes such as permafrost thaw. While some of the hazards associated with the thaw of up to 1 million years of material have been captured, we are a long way from being able to model and predict exactly when and where they will happen. This research is critical."